welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to schedule Facebook posts. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to schedule a Facebook post, you can directly go to the website or app of Facebook, and for pages and some group you can simply tap on by creating a post. Now if you want to create a post, you need to simply tap on manage posts or create a post. Now you can write anything that's on your mind and tap on the done button. After this, you can simply tap on the public option or like specific options right over there. Now next to the publish button, you can find the option called schedule. If you have access or lie in the reason where this option is available. If this option is not available, you need to use the Meta Business Suite for pages. You can simply go to your Meta Business Suite and create a post and add details, then click on the schedule option. So this way you can simply schedule Facebook posts. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.